Hello guys, again we are back with another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Parkside Programmable watering timer. Programmable irrigation schedule 6, irrigation duration is 1 minute to 9 hours and 59 minutes. Irrigation rhythm is daily to weekly. Alkaline battery is included inside for reliable automatic irrigation of your garden. 3 years warranty from Lidl. Splash-proof housing is IPX4, manual water extraction at the push of the button, easy to use with the menu, battery operation with battery change indicator. Let's open it to see what we have inside and to find out how it works. There is a lovely manual, fat manual. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this unit. The two batteries. We have an adapter included 26.5 millimeters and for standard tabs with 33.3 millimeters. There we are, we've got the Parkside logo. Now let's find out where the battery goes. The battery goes here. You need a screwdriver to take that out. You have a rubber inside, included any damage of the internal batteries when you're working with that. Water, it goes everywhere, you know. And here we are, nice beautiful display. We can see here we've got the battery indicator, time, set the time. It's 12. Push this button, it goes to the minute. 44. The day. We are in Friday. And that was all. After setting the time, let's see one by one what we have into the device. Here we have a filter. We can connect that here. It is the adapter, and I'm going to connect it directly to my water supply. Got the button for the water, for changing irrigation mode. Set is the button for setting operation mode, button for setting the time. We have the button for switching on off, and of course we've got the battery indicator, as I said, and it will start flashing when the battery is weak. And we've got the rotary control. It will help you to manage some settings to the unit. And here we can connect that. It will help us to connect our hose. Well, let's plug it to my water supply and let's find out how it works. Now here we are, just take that adapter out, connect it first here. There's a rubber inside, and then we can connect that here very tight. Okay. Now by pushing the button on off, hold and push, it turns off, and again it turns on. If you want manual to turn on your water, just hold and push and it will turn on, and then again just push it once and it turn off. Now let's say we need to program this unit. We are in 2, let's go to the program 3. It doesn't matter, it is your choice what program you want to use. Let's push the button set. You can see it's flashing. We've got 24 hours set. Let's go to the start time. Let's put it in 1 set. Go to the minute, 1 and 2 minutes set. How long? We need only for 1 minute. Set 24 hours. Set. Turn it on. Set. It goes to the 4 program. Now again, if you want to use the days, you can see it goes what day you want. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I will choose the Friday, but if I will push the set button, it will flashing, and that's how you are going to choose it. If you don't want just rotate and it will turn off. And again, we need on Friday set. Then you can choose other days of the week, no, off or on. Set. Now of course, if you want, you can go back. We can see it goes from 24 hours, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, and seventh day. Every 24 hours, every second day, every third day, every fourth day, etc., etc. Okay, set. We didn't catch the time. I will go again on 13 and 3 minutes. And again on, and we're good to go, and just going to wait. And you can see the water is starting, and it will stay on for 1 minute, and then it will turn off. Of course you can turn it off manually, and that was all. I think it's very easy to program this unit, that it costs only 18 euros. It's worth the money to buy it because when you are traveling, you are outside of your house and your precious plants need water. This unit definitely, it will help you to give them the precious water that they need. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.